So I started looking into treatments. I looked into some of those creams that you can possibly use, and I got bad reviews. People said, no, it doesn't really work. I just decided it was time to finally go ahead and do something about it. I was asked a lot if I was gay because it was a rainbow. And when I got the tattoo, I didn't realize that that signified that. So not that I have any problem with that, but I was asked constantly, like, oh, is that why you have that? I didn't get rid of it for that reason, but it just kind of wasn't the meaning that I had behind it, and I didn't want it to be perceived as something that it wasn't. I was excited about having the procedure done. I'm pretty open to trying different things, and, wasn't nervous or anything, but, I was excited about trying, something of technology. This doesn't take hardly any time out of your day, maybe 15, 20 minutes tops. From the minute I walked in the door, I have the numbing done, and then into the procedure room, and the treatment itself is probably maybe a minute, half a minute. So yeah, this doesn't take any time hardly at all. I found the PicoSure machine to be very effective, not painful at all. After 2 or 3 treatments, I was seeing drastic results. My entire tattoo is almost removed after like 6 treatments. The PicoSure is the way to go. If you want to have something removed and you don't want to have much time taken out of your life or your schedule, it's quick. The treatments are quick. You don't have to get, 12 to 24 treatments. They're done. If you just go every 4 weeks or so or whatever it takes, and I would definitely recommend the PicoSure to anybody that wants to have their tattoo removed. It's been a really good success for me so far. The results that I wanted have just happened so fast. So, something that I always had to look at, this tattoo, and, wish that I didn't have it, it's actually finally happening now, and I'm starting to feel like I'm achieving results that I've wanted for a long time, and it hasn't taken much time at all. The tattoo that, mainly shows when I'm in a bathing suit, so I'm really happy that, I can finally, for the first time, go on a vacation and not have this tattoo staring at me and wish that it wasn't there. So I think it's actually going to make me feel a lot better knowing that I'm finally, able to feel confident and happy that it's not there anymore. Dr. Dover is great. I've met him a few times, and it just seems he's just so warm and kind and caring and just down to earth, and he's really a pleasure to be around, and I know he's a phenomenal doctor as well, so he's got a great reputation, so I knew I was in good hands. I show the results all the time. Every time I have a treatment, like, I'm right there, like, oh my God, look at how good it looks, and like I feel like everyone's kind of on this mission with me. It's like, how's the tattoo doing now? And they see it and they're like, oh my God, it looks so good. Or there's not much to look good, which is the good thing, but everybody's really like, that's amazing how well it's worked, and they're all very happy for me. They're glad that I did this. The best thing that I ever did was, deciding to go with the PicoSure system, and luckily it worked out really good for me.